What did you do to my son? Why did he marry you? I know it's your plan to enter my family.
What? Why are you saying this? Chris loves me. We love each other. I didn't do anything.
Don't be innocent. Tell me, how much do you want? I will give you the money. Just get out of this house.
What? Do you think I married Chris because of money? No, you are wrong. I love him.
Love? And poor lady like you loving my young son? I don't believe it. This is all your plan.
Mom, how can you say that? Money doesn't matter when it comes to love. Chris and I truly love each other.
I don't believe it. Just tell me, how much do you want? Take it and leave us alone.
I don't want your money. I want to be with Chris because he makes me happy. And I make him happy too.
Happy? Do you think this situation makes me happy? Seeing my son with someone like you?
I understand your concern, but Chris is an adult. He made his own decision.
Decision can be wrong, and this one is definitely wrong. I can't let this happen to my family.
You can't change anything now. We are married and nothing can change that.
Do you think this marriage will stay longer? Do you think I will ever accept you?
I hope you can do that for your son. He loves you and wants his family to be together.
He is my only son. I wanted the best for him, not this situation.
I understand your disappointment, but please give us a chance. We just want to be happy together.
A chance? How can I give you a chance? You destroy my dream and also my heart.